Hello, you beautiful soul. I am Nikki Drake from Crazy Simple Truth Ministries. If we have not met yet, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, I've been doing a lot of videos on my channel about beginner Bible study tips. Some people just don't know how to get into the Bible and what to do. And so if you are a creative person like me, a right-brained person, and even if you're not, there's a way that you can do this. This is not studying the Bible, but it's like a really great first step. And that is to read the Bible and then take notes. And so this is my creative note-taking notebook. I got it at back to school time, super inexpensive. And it's just a little... I don't know how many pages is in it, but I have assigned this specific book to the Psalms. And so what I'm doing in this book here, I had a little fun, middle school fun here and decorated the entire front. But what I'm doing here is I'm going through each one of the Psalms. And this idea came from Hillary at Creative Faith Company. And she has a YouTube channel, sweet girl. And so I kind of adapted it, of course, to be my own because I thought, wow, it's genius. Why didn't I ever think of it? And so I am going through the book of Psalms, and all I'm doing is taking notes. So if you are intimidated by beginner Bible study, this is going to be a great thing for you. And you do not have to decorate it. You do not have to be creative if you don't want to be. But we've all doodled before. We've all, when you're talking on the phone or something and you're just, scribbling things down, it could be like that. Now, we've all taken notes before because we all went to school. And so we all know how to take notes. And so what you're going to do is you're going to read, for instance, Psalm 1. And I wrote out a happy man equals a happy life, and then wrote some things that Psalm 1 said. Okay, and just put some stickers. If you want a really easy way to do it, I have sticker sets in my Etsy print shop that help you do this. And also, if you are part of my Creative Faith classes on Patreon, then you get a bunch of these stickers like this for free. So, but you don't need those things. You don't need those things. I just want to throw that in there in case you want some stickers for it. You can use Dollar Tree stickers. You don't have to use stickers at all. The point is that you're taking notes, and it just makes them a little bit more fun when you're being creative. Like anybody can draw an arrow. Anybody can draw little dots and write out the list. So this isn't just for creative people, but what a super great way to dig deeper into the Bible when you're super intimidated by study. Okay, so this is a really super beginner thing to be able to do, is just take notes on what you read. So here's Psalm 2. I've got Psalm 3 here. I'll try to show you my whole page if I can. I don't know if I can show you the whole spread. Almost. I almost can. Anyway, I did not assign a certain number of Psalms to each page. Like this is Psalm 3, Psalm 4, Psalm 5. I just kind of squeezed those in. I used some washi tape. Here I used some highlighters. So I got these. I don't think I've even showed these yet. Some mild liners. Mild liners. Oh yeah, because they're mild. They're fluorescent, but they're really soft colors. See how pretty they are? I think that, is that what that was? No, Nikki doesn't know what she's talking about. Don't listen to Nikki. Nikki doesn't know what she's talking about. I don't even think I owned these when I made this page, so forget it. But highlighters are a really great thing to use because, anybody can draw a box around some words. See the box? Anybody can draw a little cloud around some words. It just makes it more fun. Like I said, super beginner way to be creative and take notes on what you read. Psalm 6, Psalm 7. You don't have to know fancy writing to be able to do this. You can just stick a couple pieces of tape here and there. This is Psalm 8. So I drew a little cloud with the stars and the moon. Psalm 9, took notes here, used some washi tape and some stickers. Here's Psalm 10. This is supposed to be a 1. I don't know why my typewriter font has that weird 1, but whatever. So here's this one. So that's Psalm 10, and I've got Psalm 11 and Psalm 12 on this page. So you can see where I've put them all three. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I was just going to go through what I had so far. So this is Psalm 13. I've got my little notes here. Lord, don't forget me. Don't hide your face from me. I'm anxious and my mind is full of agony. Answer me. Restore brightness to my eyes. My heart will rejoice in your deliverance and I will sing to you. So this I have rephrased to make it my own based on, I don't know if David wrote this. Usually I write like by David, so it may not have been by him. But I just have rephrased it. Here, look at this cute little cell phone thing. This is in my Etsy print shop. I believe this is in the, I don't know what kit. What's it called? This one's in it too. Where is it? This one's in it. This one's in it. This one. Can't remember the name of it. Anyway, isn't that cute? So that's in one of my Bible journaling boxes. I'm going to make some new ones. I'm going to make some new Bible journaling boxes. So be watching Etsy because I think those are really fun to be able to write in. Here's Psalm 15. So it says, the godly are honest, righteous, kind to all, keeps his word, lends to those in need. The one who does these things will never be moved. So you can see where I just took it, rephrased it, made it my own, and I recapped what that verse was, or what that chapter was. So here's Psalm 16. You can see I drew the little clouds with the arrows. Anybody can do that. Anybody can do that. You can change up your writing by using your regular writing, and then you can do some all caps. Just some different ways that you don't have to be fancy about it. Okay, this is the rest of Psalm 17. No, this is Psalm 17. Why didn't I write it down? I don't know. Anyway, Lord, hear, pay attention, listen, test my heart, examine me, see what is right, answer me, display your wonders, protect me, hide me in the shadow of your wings as the pupil of your eye. So I put chapter 17, verse 8. Chapter 17, verse 8 is also that. No right or wrong. Just really have fun doing this and let it help you recap what you read. Here's Psalm 18. This is Psalm 18 continued because I didn't have enough space. Here is Psalm 19. Look at this dorky little writing, like he pulled me out of deep waters. Doesn't have to be perfect, folks, y'all. That was folks and y'all all together. Fall. Folks, y'all. Yep, that's you. You beautiful people right there, you. Here's Psalm 18 again. Verse 46, verse 48. So sometimes I actually wrote the whole verse out, and sometimes it's just my paraphrasing. Most of it's paraphrasing. Most of it is me just rewriting it out in my own words to help me remember. And it really is awesome. And what I love about this, if you haven't seen me show this book before, what I love about it is it's really fun to go back through and read, and you get a recap of all of the Psalms. So here, anybody can draw a little sunshine. Anybody can do that. Anybody can draw a little heart. Totally doable. That's Psalm 19. Here's Psalm 20. So these are the stickers. I'm starting to get into the stickers. Not that one, but this one and this one are ones that you can get if you join my Patreon. You can get those for free. I think there's like 2 or 3 sheets of them. And they're just random little Bible characters and random sunshines and lakes and things like that fit. Like this is one of them, I think, that fit on your page for this creative note-taking Bible study method. Okay, so here's Psalm 22, and notice how I used all different colors too. So the colors make a big difference. I mean, I have an overabundance of pens, but you don't have to have that. You don't. Just get like a generic colored pencil, just a box of colored pencils, little cheap Crayola brand Dollar Tree, and use that. Just do that. It works. This is my favorite one, Psalm 23. Isn't it pretty how it turned out? I love how it turned out. See? Fun. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. I think I actually wrote the entire verses out for Psalm 23. This is not paraphrasing. This is word for word Psalm 23. Here is Psalm 24. This is my really generic little globe. I think I did this on a video where I showed you this book, and I think I did this one. So there might be a video for that. Under Bible study methods, probably. I'll have to see. Here's one of the little stickers that I think is in the sticker kit from Patreon. Just a cute way. Now, looky here. This is the little path. This is a little path. This is kind of a bit of a mess, but there was a lot in Psalm 25 that I wanted to remember. So there's disgrace, and all of these things are disgrace. All of these things, he says, remember. All of these, he says, what happens if you stay on the path. And here is the distress. These are the things that David was feeling. And so that's what I did for that. Ooh, I love this one too. This is one of my favorites. Okay, here is Psalm 26, oh Lord, and I put like no, liars, hypocrites, evil, wicked, and then I can't read this because it's in yellow, and so I might have to change that. Psalm 27, so here's some of the stickers that I've used for that. My heart heard you say, come and talk with me, and my heart responds, Lord, I am coming. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. See how much fun it is to go back and read it? Okay, I love this one. I love the colors. Psalm 28. So I pray to you by David. Listen to my prayer of mercy as I cry out to you for help, as I lift my hands toward your holy sanctuary. Praise the Lord. He heard my cry. He is my strength and my shield. I trust him with all of my heart. He helps me and my heart is filled with joy. I burst, see the little lines? I burst out in songs of thanksgiving. How cute is that? Is that? Honor the Lord. See, there's the little heart. There's a little speech bubble. You could draw that too. You don't have to use the stickers. You can see how I used like bigger writing in part of it, cursive writing in part of it, all caps. Just mix it up and make it different because it really does make it fun to go back and look at. Here is Psalm 30. So I've got, I will exalt you, Lord, for you rescued me. I love this. This is my word wall, typewriter word wall stickers. Those are in my Etsy. And it's just a whole bunch of little words that I love. They're hard to find, but they're somewhat alphabetical. And so you can find all the S's. So I looked in it for the word secure, found that super cute. You can type those up yourself too. You don't have to buy them from my shop. That's so easy. Okay, so everything about being secure goes with that. And then this is Psalm 31. Oh Lord, you protect, rescue, lead, pull, care for, keep safe, favor, answer, love, shine on, hide, and you see me. So Psalm 31 said all of those things, and I put them out, wrote them out on that little list, and that is one of the journaling boxes. Here is Psalm 32, which I used some planner stickers on, which was really fun. I did this in the car a couple of weeks ago, so it's a little bit messy, but I get the idea of it, and it's pretty. Here is Psalm 33. That's really pretty. These are the watercolored flowers that you can find in my Etsy print shop. You can see how I used all different colors, all different sizes of words, and some stars, some it says he breathed the word, so I've got some little breath things. All things that you can do. You are capable of doing it. We were created to create because we were made by the ultimate creator. And so if you think that you can't do it, just give it a try. Give it a try. I'd love to see what you did. I'd love for you to put them on my Facebook group or on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram under crazysimpletruth _ journal art. You can find me there. I don't do my creative note-taking pictures. I only do Bible journaling pictures. But you could hashtag me on there, crazysimpletruth, and that way I could see your creative note-taking notes. So here is Psalm 33, and Psalm 33 was heavy. It had a lot of stuff. And so here are verses 1 through 12. These are verses 13 through 22. Here is Psalm 34. This one's kind of fun. I used the washi tape to make like a whole little frame here. Look at the lips. Taste and see that the Lord is good. See, I drew those. Here you can see where all I did was draw a square and then this little rectangular shape with a little hook, and that makes it look like one of those little clips, and so that made it kind of fun. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He rescues those whose spirits are crushed. He redeems those who serve him. See Jesus with the little broken heart with the Band-Aid. Okay, this one's really pretty, Psalm 36. So that one, I just used like 2 colors. Then you can see where if you pick 2 colors, it makes it look really fun and pretty. And look at my typewriter. To God, love David. And this is my last one that I did, and that is Psalm 37. And so you can see where I did the arrows and a little squiggly line, super easy, and I'm recapping what I read in Psalm 37. I don't even know if I finished this one because I did it in the car a couple of weeks ago. But I will go through this entire book and do all of the Psalms in it. I think there's 150 Psalms, I think. Yes? Why don't I know that? I should know that. Anyway. Yeah, I'm going to do all of the Psalms in this book eventually, and I can't wait to be able to go back through. Like, I thought this would be super fun even to read to little ones, but it's definitely helpful for me to go back through and recap what I read and what I took notes on. So it really is a Bible study method that's super for beginners, and I think that you really will enjoy doing it. So I will see you later. I hope that was beautiful. You are awesome. God loves you so much, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And if you'd like to see more creative note-taking videos, then make sure you give this one a thumbs up so I know, and I'll create some more, because I also have a book that I've started for Genesis, and so maybe eventually someday I'll go through the whole Bible. I don't know, that'd be an awful lot of books, but I have learned a lot from it, and it's just an easy way. So I'll see you later. Bye.